So it's now 9. I woke up at 9. So I just ate a cereal. I think we're going to the beach to do activities and stuff, so that's very exciting. So sorry I didn't vlog, but we just swam. I got dark here, but we just swam in the pool. You're not gonna say hi? Rude. So we just swam, as you can see. I'm still waiting to shower because we're going to eat lobster. To be honest, I finally I've never eaten lobster before because I didn't like it, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm gonna show you the swimsuit. I think I'm gonna show you my swimsuit every day. Yesterday, it was just a rush guard. So, yeah, but now, today, this is my outfit for day one. I'm wearing a two-piece. This is actually not mine, but they gave it to me. So, my outfit of the day, dress and shoulder. And now we're going to eat outside. So now we fell. We were walking flat, and then grabe. gonna race. We buried them and they're gonna stand. In 3, 2, 1, go! Ay, madali lang! Alam mo, ako nasigaw! Kaya nga! Gap 1! Oh, dito ulit! Sige, go! Sige, panalo! Ah, winner! Winner! Loser! Aray, loser! Hey guys, so sorry I'm uploading late, but make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. It will be in the link down below. And I'll see you, or maybe not. And I'll see you guys late. I don't know, but I'm gonna vlog tomorrow because we're going to Manila. So stay tuned.